Welcome back. Good software doesn't just work when given valid input. It also handles invalid input gracefully by raising appropriate exceptions. In this lecture, we learn how to write tests that specifically verify our functions raise the expected exceptions using AssertRaises. 1. The code that raises an exception. Let's update our calculations.py file with a new divide function. This function explicitly checks for division by 0 and raises a 0 division error if the denominator b is 0. We must write a test to ensure this defensive coding works correctly. 2. Using self.assertRaises. We use the self.assertRaises method as a context manager with the with keyword. You pass the expected exception type, here 0 division error, as the argument. Any code executed inside this with block is expected to raise that specific exception. If it does, the test passes. If the code executes without raising the exception, or raises a different exception, the test fails. 3. Capturing the exception message, optional. For more rigorous testing, you can capture the raised exception object by assigning the context manager to a variable, here context. You can then access the exception using context.exception and assert that the error message it contains matches your expectation. This ensures not only that the right error is raised, but also that the user receives the correct descriptive message. To summarize, testing for exceptions is crucial for validating the defensive capabilities of your code. Next, we look at managing test state. Our next lecture 34.04, Setup and Tear Down. See you there.